What's up? Good morning, you two. How y'all doing? We're out here trying to do some things, trying to get things done. I got to go back to work tomorrow, which is the 3rd, so maybe I'll be seeing this video on Sunday. But yeah, we're out here. We're trying to do oil change to the Tahoe. She really needs one right now. I think I kind of overdid it already. I'm already like at 5,000 miles, but I mean, it's all right. Should be good, but this is the work truck. Well, that's gonna be the work truck for now. I have another one coming pretty soon. It's gonna be a little gas saver, which is better for me because I travel very far sometimes, so that'll work much better. But we're gonna get this knocked out and we'll see what we got time for today, and we'll go from there. Let's get it. You did. Set y'all up probably somewhere right here. Should be close. It's a nasty day out here in Houston, and this is baby. She's gonna look super sick when she's done. I can't wait. I really want to drive this thing. I used to love driving the crap out of it. I'll take that thing everywhere. Especially now with the swap that I did on it, man, it felt a whole lot different. You felt like you were in something luxurious and new, but at the same time, it's not really new, but it just felt good to drive in. And it's pretty quick. It has a tune on it. I don't know who it's tuned by, but I know it has a little tune on it. But we're gonna take it back to get retuned. But that I don't know. Y'all let me know who y'all think I should get tuned by. Remember, I'm in Houston, so I mean, we got Spike, HP. I think it's 747 Garage or some shit like that. We got Sorian tuning. Man, y'all let me know who y'all got, and I'll see who I decide to go with. But comment down below. And remember, if y'all haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. We got some good content coming up. We're gonna be doing some things, and y'all just stay tuned for that. But subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know what y'all think. And man, let's get on this thing because we got lots of things to do today. So this oil I'm finna be using. Yeah, I know it's not really designed for this vehicle, but I mean, it's an older vehicle, high mileage. It has 200,000 miles plus, so it's all right. That's why if I use this stuff, I like doing it every 3,000 miles. So it's a little, I guess, easier on it. But yeah, the motor's already, I know it has a lot of wear and tear already, so I use something thicker to help it out, lube it up better. But yeah, this is the motor. She's a little filthy right now, but it's all right. She cleans up pretty good. Comment, let me know if you think she should get an LS swap. I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure about it, but if y'all think that'd be interesting, let me know. This thing would be a beast with an LS swap on it. But yeah, these are the parts I'll be using. I think I'll need probably like one more quart. I'm not for sure, because I know these styles, they take 6 quarts. This one I'm not so sure, but let's get on it. So yeah, guys, like I said, this truck has a lot of wear and tear already, you know. The transfer case is leaking already. Needs to be resealed. I know the rear diff got to be redone also. It's leaking. So we're gonna open that up and refill it and then reseal it. But yeah, this is the bottom of it. You're gonna need a 15 millimeter. Where's she at? 15 millimeter, remove that bolt. And this is a little weird, but the fuel, oh crap. But yeah, man. But the fuel switch is like up there sideways. That's weird, I ain't never seen that. The other one's got them over here, like on the side. But this one has it up there. The old school stuff. But yeah, I already loosened it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Put some pressure on it, force it in so you don't splatter it everywhere. Hopefully it just goes into it. There it is. Yeah, it's a little burnt, not too bad. I said we're gonna try to do oil changes. So I try to do on my gas trucks every 3,000 to 4,000. The diesel probably 5 to 6. But there it is. We're gonna get the filter off. We're gonna drain it, and that'll be it. We'll see what the rear diff looks like right now. All right, guys. We're gonna pour a little bit of oil in it and put it back on. Put the screw back on the oil pan, and I think that'll be it. We'll refill it, check it out, get to the right measurement, and that'll be it for the oil change. And what do y'all think about the cheapest oil filter? I always do. Someone told me once, you know, the oil filter really don't matter, but so I kind of stayed on that. Let me know what y'all think and what y'all recommend. Cause I mean, like I said, I just stuck to what somebody told me. He was a mechanic too, so I trusted him, you know. But they said that's not that important. So that's what I do. I just buy the cheap one, and that's it. But let me know what y'all think. Buddy. Don't put a little too much. We're just gonna let it drain out real quick, plug it back up, refill it. But I'm gonna show y'all the rear end. The rear end's pretty bad though, man. I really want to check it out, get into it. You kind of see a little droplet at the bottom, but it's all wet. So we're gonna check out the level on it. If we don't seal it today, we'll do it another day, but at least know we got some fluid in there. So yeah, guys, this thing is leaking pretty bad, but I won't be able to get to it today. I'm just gonna top it off. Plug is over here. It's not like the other rear ends where it's over here. We're gonna top it off, and we'll save this for another video. Like I said, I got a lot of things to do today, but just stay tuned so we get this repaired. And then we're also gonna be working on the bed of the truck and on the interior of the truck. Start getting into details on that. Struggle of not having a lift. So this is Mr. Sebastian, Mr. S, Mr. B. Sebastian and Brawler Innovations. Yes, sir. What's your name? What's your name?
Abigail.
Where you from?
New York.
What you doing down here?
I'm visiting my mom.
You little diva.
I'm out.
But yeah, we're done with the Tahoe. Gina, we're not trying to record you. We're trying to record the Tahoe. We're done with the Tahoe for today. That's it. We'll do some more work on it later. Right now, where are we going?
IHOP!
Where are we going?
IHOP!
IHOP.
Woo!
Let's go. Thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Say bye-bye.